Creating an art portfolio website is easy, convenient, and can greatly boost your business. To start, you can go to a website editor and create a new site or select an existing one. Once you're in the editor, you can begin designing your website, starting with the welcoming or about section. You can change the background to a color or image, and add text, such as a welcome message or a brief introduction to your art. You can select a font and customize the text to fit your style, and add elements like titles and paragraphs. It's also possible to use AI tools to generate text about your business or art collection. These tools can help you create a captivating and short description of your work. After setting up the intro section, you can add new sections, such as a gallery or about section, and customize them to fit your needs. In the gallery section, you can add your own images or videos, and customize the layout and design. You can also add a section for your services, including descriptions and prices. Once you've set up your website, you can preview how it will look on different devices, such as mobile phones or desktops. You can make adjustments as needed and add more sections, such as contact or team pages, to create a comprehensive and professional website. With these tools and features, creating an art portfolio website is not difficult, and can be a great way to showcase your work and attract customers.